Front-end development, the face of digital experience, has witnessed a paradigm shift. AI-powered tools like Adobe Sensei and Runway ML are now automating design process, enhancing creativity and speeding up prototyping. Developers say hello to designers. SEO, the backbone of online visibility, is ongoing revolution. AI algorithms are now deciphering user behavior pattern, refined search rankings, and ensuring that the content you create gets the attention it deserves. Now let's venture into backend. AI is turbocharging backend development by optimizing server loads, improving security, and enhancing the database management. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch are making complex computations a breeze, opening doors into possibilities. So, what is the future of the web developers like us? As AI going to continue to evolve, and we can expect relationship between developers and intelligent systems is not about replacing us, is the amplifying our capabilities of doing our work more productively. So AI not more going to replace, it's a tools like improve your productivity and improve your workload. So don't worry about the AI is your friend, best friend. So keep touch with that trends and improve your skills is the best option I think you can do. So yeah, if you found this video more useful, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And so that's the end of the video, and see you again until next time. Cheers, bye bye.